Alright, y'all, we're making shrimp tostadas on the Blackstone. Start off with half a pound of chopped up bacon, adding some of that Kinder's fajita blend to it, tossing in a couple of jalapenos chopped up. You don't have to if you don't like the spice, but my family likes it with a little kick to it. Once that bacon and jalapenos are cooked perfectly, you're going to push them off into your cool zone. We were on medium for the bacon. We're down to medium-low now to fry up these tortillas. These are yellow corn king-size tortillas. Once they get crisped up on one side, it takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Flip them over. When you're done, you're going to have a solid formed chip that is deliciously cooked in bacon fat. We are adding a pound of baby shrimp that have been sitting in lime juice and that Kinder's fajita seasoning for about 2 hours now. Mix that bacon and jalapeno with it. Hey, my family's not much into beans. I know most people start out with a base of refried beans. I'm starting out with a base of guacamole and adding that shrimp, bacon, jalapeno mixture to it. A little bit of crema. Hit it with a little bit of pico. Build it how you want it, folks. I'm doing it how my family likes it. We love that cotija cheese on top and then a little bit of cilantro going in for the bite. It just hit. Folks, keep the comments coming. I love hearing from you. Click that follow button if you like what I'm doing. I promise y'all I'm going to keep cooking if you keep coming back.